All expensive brands is there in this area, guys. City area. Ta-da! How beautiful is this, guys? Right? So clean, very beautiful. Guys, this is the Lucky Plaza here. Orchard Lucky Plaza, Singapore. Do you like the view? So nice, right? This is the Louis Vuitton here. Show you. All brands is here. Chanel. Other side.